Welcome to It's Rafiq. Today's video is going to be interesting because today I am going to teach you how you can create your own website just in few clicks. No need any server, no need any knowledge of HTML or any programming languages. First of all, open browser in your computer, then type sites.google.com. Wait till load the website. Here you will see option S, create a new site, blank site, portfolio, event, help center. I think even you will get some more, project, team, dog walker, etc. Now suppose you want to create the website only for your purpose. You want to add your details and all, then you can select portfolio. Wait till it completely load. So this will be your website. Skip the tour. At top your name is written. Here you can write your website name. Suppose I'll keep my website name, it's Rafiq. Here, hi, I am name. In place of name, you write your own name. Role means what you are doing at present. Suppose you are a student, then write I'm a student. You are a businessman, write I am a businessman. You are a government servant, write that one. As I am a programmer, so I'll write programmer. From, change the location and write where you live. So this way we done the first page. Now the picture. To change the picture, click on the picture. Here you will get these options: crop, uncrop, insert a link, delete picture, and 3 dots. Here you will get replace options. Then select upload and go to your gallery where you have kept your pictures. Suppose I will select this one. Now if you want to crop your picture, select the picture, click on crop. Like this way you can do. Suppose this much I want. Now scroll down, select your walk. Name of presentation means if you have done something you can add here. Name of presentation means what presentation you have made till now. If you are using your own Google account, then whatever presentation you have made, this all presentation will be displayed when you click on presentation. Suppose I have added this one, Raman House, and here write the name of the presentation, what you have made. Like this one as a e-magazine. Name of the project, if you have done any project, that one you can add here. I have to search what project I have made. Suppose just I have added one picture. Then the project name like a simple app, and here the video. If you have made any video, click on the icon and it will open YouTube, or you will get uploaded. If you have already uploaded any video in your account, you will get these videos. So from here you can select the video which one you want to add. Suppose this Excel, and a video name. After finishing this one, again scroll down, you will get some more options. Name of the presentation, name of this same thing only. If you don't want to add again, if you have not much created projects, then you can remove them, delete, or you can delete the complete section from here. Get touching, here add your email address. Like suppose @gmail.com. Now scroll down again, here nothing left. Now we'll go to our next pages, about page. Click on about. Here you can add logo if you have made for your website, and if you don't have any logo, then just keep it blank. This picture, if you want to change the picture, click on three dots, replace, upload, and select your image, which one you want to add. Suppose I want to add this one. Now scroll down and here write what you want to write about your site, like hi, just few lines you can write about yourself. And here who are working with you, the client's name. Clients means if you have worked for someone, if you have made a project for someone, then you can write your client name here. Suppose I have created project for, just I am giving examples, example 1, example 2, etc. Now here work experience means where you have worked, you can write that. Here you will write the starting date and end date, like I have worked from 2013 to, it's going on only. Here write the company name, and here the title. And if you have not done so many jobs, then you can remove the extra parts. And education, here you can write where what you have done. Suppose I have done MCA in 2014 to 2016. Guwahati University. This way you can add this part and scroll down. Nothing is there. Now we'll go to the third page, project page. Here you will add your project name, what you have done. Just suppose demo example project. Here write about description about your project, and in below you will write pictures, add whatever details you have done. And in next project, for the next project you will create one new page and you will link that page to that button. Now suppose I want to create a new page. That page name will be contact me, so that you will go to pages here, touch on plus sign, here you write contact me, from click on advanced, then in custom part write contact. Done. Now here you will go to insert, select text box, write the text style as title, here write contact me, again click on text box or images, whatever you want, and here already some layouts are there, that one also you can select. If you don't want, just no need. Now select map. If you want to add the map, on the map select your location, and select. Now if you want to add the map in the center of your page, just move it to the center. Now to add your email and all, take text box, write email, web address if you have, then your social link also you can provide here. Suppose so this way you can make your contact page. And here one option is there, add header and footer. If you want some content in each page of your website, then you can add that one, add header. And at background of the header you can add some pictures like upload, and from here you can choose. project page. Here also you can do the add header, about, add header, home page, add header. Now after, I think now I have finished my website. Go to setting, select the mode where the link will display at top or inside. Brand images, if you want to upload logo, then favicon means, as you can see at top of the title bar, one icon is displayed. If you want to change that icon, then you can create one and you can upload it. View tools, info icon and curly, it's okay only. Custom URL, if you have your own domain, then you can set it here. Analytics, no need. Announcement banner, if you want to show something to the user when they will open your website, then you can write here announcement banner. If you don't want to send show anything, then no need. Now close this window. When everything is done, then you can select here publish. So your site address will be like this: sites.google.com/view/your site's name. Custom URL means when you have your own domain, then that domain you can set in your this site. Who can manage? Here it's given as who can view site. If anyone can view, then write anyone. And if you don't want that your website should be viewed by anyone, then you can select on manage, and from here you can add the email link. So I want that everyone should view my website, so I'll do nothing here. And one more option you will get: search setting. Request public search engine not to display my site. If you don't want your website result on search engine like Google, Bing and all, then you can tick here. If you want to display your search site on the search engines, then don't do anything. Now click on publish. Now my site is ready. Now to view your website, you can copy the link from here. This is my website link, and just go to new window, paste it here. And this link you can share with your friends also to view your website. So this is my website, just I have created. This is home page. This one is about page. Whatever you have written in about, it will display here. Project page and contact me page. So this way you can create your own website in Google Sites. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.